Those are which ones? They're yellow orange. Okay, so these are more shade tolerant, right? These are more for shade. They're different ones. Do these yellow ones on this side. I'll let y'all decide what area y'all want them at. They take more shade. Make sure you don't stick them way too deep. Okay? Just make sure the roots are in. You pick though. Have fun. It's coming down more. Feels so good though. Doesn't this remind you of Virginia? Planting in Virginia. You got it in there good? Good job. Okay, you can, there's another one. Really anywhere that you want to see a little bit more pop of color, you can either bring it over more over here, maybe somewhere here, and I have also 2 white begonias there. There's gonna be white ones to plant too. So I completely leave it to you guys. Y'all could probably do some of them here so there's color. Yeah. You can tuck it in close to the fern. I don't know. Y'all decide. I don't want to tell y'all. Yeah. Yeah, just be careful. Remember those rocks or something. Don't hurt your wrist. Oh. So that's the reason we can plant many different varieties of things here, because it's well draining. Yeah. Those plants don't give out very deep roots, so it's okay, you know? Oh, wait, there. White would look pretty somewhere here too. Somewhere here would look nice. Like around here. Maybe there. Yeah, you can put both there so that way they cluster up. Because we only have, what, 2 left?
Yeah.
Yeah, let them cluster up together.
So should we do it kind of diagonally or just side by side?
Probably just side by. However, have fun.
Here.
Yeah.
Alright, Amber, you can go get the...
Yeah, it's rocky. The more you move towards the end, by the door, there's a lot more rock. Okay, ladies, are we done?
Yep.
For now, I'm thinking we have like what, 2 more? I think I have 1 more elephant ear to go, and I'm on Monstera, but we'll wait for those. Yeah, why is it a good day to plant today? Because we didn't even, let's let everybody know, we didn't even plan.
Yeah.
Amber, move over so they can see your sister. Just be careful with we didn't even plan to do this, right?
No.
But we took advantage.
Yeah, because it's raining right now, and it's much cooler for the plants, so they'll be better.
Yeah, because we've been having really hot temps, and we said, you know what, let's go ahead and get out here and do some planting. So we didn't plan it like we said right now to do this, but I don't know, the kids are home right now. There's no school. This one right here, our Amberlyn. She wanted to, you know, she's not in school right now. She's on her summer vacation. So we said, let's go ahead and have them do something outside. Little man's inside. I know he loves doing this, our son. He loves to be out here in this area. This is his favorite, I think, area.
Yeah.
To him, it's like dinosaur land.
He likes playing with dinosaurs.
But I don't know, it's become my favorite little area because it's so cooler here. But we're working on it. It's muddy and everything. We haven't added stones or anything, but we'll do something little by little, right?
Yeah.
All right, so are y'all happy with what got planted today?
Yeah.
Are y'all thinking of anything else to fill in with? Those daylilies. Later on, I think we need to add daylilies. Okay, so the girls are putting everything away. There's shovels here. Let me pick this up. They planted some begonias right there. I'm not sure if some are gonna make it, and I'll tell y'all which ones right now. These are thriving here, and I know it looks crazy right now, guys. There's a lot of mud, but they've been making it here. These have been planted for a while now. The pink ones and this right here have been the red ones. So they are doing amazing. So we went ahead and planted some that we had left over from the window box that we planted not long ago, those white ones. So I decided to use them. We have another variety. I can't remember the name of those guys, but they're like those yellow ones right there. I'm gonna see what happens with those. Those were, it broke. That's why it looks like that. It broke. We also planted some elephant ears. I don't know if we captured that on the video because we kind of started the video late. We didn't know we were gonna do video for you guys. What else did y'all plant? What are these called again? I forget.
I'm trying to remember the name of it.
I forget the name of these. Tarina. Y'all know what I mean, Tarina. So those need sun. There's a good amount of light right here. Yeah, they'll do good in this part. I don't even know what to call it right now because good sun's coming in right now. That we're getting closer to it's the hot season. What else did y'all plant for me?
That's begonia.
The other begonia that's in yellow is right there. And yes, we have weeds right now, guys. We have a lot going on, but you know what? Let's show the real stuff, right, girls?
Yeah.
Let's not, it's not perfect. And then they've planted more Tarina. They planted other begonias here.
Yep.
Those are going to be in red. Look at that hydrangea, guys. Look at the color on those flowers. I can't stop showing off this one. Oh, that Gatsby moon is just beautiful. Okay, and then we went ahead and planted the caladiums.
I like the color of them.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
I can't see. I think I have the rain's hitting my eyes.
Yeah.
And then we have here elephant ears. The reason I put those elephant ears there is because we are getting more sun in this area now. It is a north facing side, but we're getting a lot more sun around this area, and some of the, quite a few of hostas are getting burned because it's a new garden, and we need to start thinking of what to grow going up. This hydrangea right here, oak leaf hydrangea, should have leafed out quite a bit, and it didn't. It got shocked when we planted this spring because we messed with the roots. So it didn't put out as much leaves as I thought it was. Could have helped to cover a little bit of this hosta right there that y'all see getting burned, which hostas that are variegated can take a lot of more sun, but not this sun that we're getting in the afternoon that kind of comes in through here. Makes way once in a while. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and we went ahead and planted an elephant ear here, so the elephant ear can grow. We know these guys get real big, and the leaves can go ahead and give some shade, some dapple shade. You don't want to completely cover it up either, so that would help it. And then with time, let me move myself back. It's a mess here. I'm gonna show y'all. With time, we'll figure out what kind of trees, something tall, to start growing as a top, as a canopy. A few, maybe two trees that can grow up and their canopy can help shade the underneath hostas, because that's really the only thing that's getting burned, the hosta. On this side, the hostas are doing great. They don't care. They have enough shade. That's really it. Okay, so I'm not gonna show myself right now because I'm a hot mess. So guys, say bye again for them. Bye. Okay, Amberlyn, tell me you were gardening without telling me you were gardening. That is just so funny. She has mud everywhere. Had a blast, didn't we?
Yes.